Welcome. On October 1st, 2019, Pentair will be launching new products and new enhancements to our existing trade grade program. What does this mean for you, the consumer? Let me tell you a little bit more about it. So, what does trade grade mean for you, the consumer? You, as the consumer, are introduced to rebates that are not offered through e-commerce retailers. Pentair Trade Grade products are made exclusively for and sold by the world's most demanding pool professionals. You can be confident you're getting unmatched quality and performance when installed. Here at Pentair, we have a dedicated team of trade grade professionals who will help you every step along the way. We've always had your back, always have, always will.